So?
More like this way.
Straight.
Hi, you're creepy. Whoa, that guy's it's like my whole life went upside down.
Oh, sure. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Are you kidding me? I am wonderful. I've always wanted a nose. It's so cute. It's like a little baby unicorn. Hey, who? Oh, I sing over. Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Olaf? That's right. Olaf.
Slow వేస్తాం.
I'm Anna.
చూసుకుంటే వేసుకోవద్దా?
Over there.
That's Sven?
And who's the reindeer?
Sven?
Oh, okay. Make things easier for me. I'll look at him giant kids my nose. I like you too.
Olaf, did Elsa build you?
Yeah, why?
Do you know where she is?
Yeah, why?
Do you think you could show us the way?
Yeah, why? How does this work? Ow! Stop it, Sven. Try and focus here. Yeah, why?
I'll tell you why. We need Elsa to bring back summer.
Summer? Oh, I don't know why, but I always loved the idea of summer and sun and all things hot.
Really? I'm guessing you don't have much experience with heat.
Nope. But sometimes I like to close my eyes and imagine what it'd be like when summer does come.
దీనికే కదా?
Kids will blow dandelion fuzz, and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. Trick in my hand, my snow against the burning sand, probably getting gorgeously tan.
అయిపోయింది బా.
See a summer breeze blow away, only to see what my buddies all think of me. Imagine how good I'll be in summer.
అరబెట్టు.
The cold are both so intense. Put them together and
Popcorn.
Winter's a good time to save and color, but put me in summer and I'll be a happy snowman. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream, relaxing in the summer sun, just letting go.
నేనుండయ్యా తుమ్ముతా.
All the sky blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do frozen things do in summer.
I'm gonna tell him.
Don't you dare.
In summer. So come on, Elsa's this way. Let's go bring back.
All the strong and Mr. Cool. Well, in the real world, I'm not that smart.
I'm not strong. I'm not cool.
Howdy, Chip. So who are you out here in the real world? Special Agent Cortez? We need you. I'm just Junie Cortez.
Let's have it, Grandpa. What switch did you hit exactly? There were two switches side by side. One switch shuts down the game, but the other releases the toy maker.
Who was the idiot who designed that?
Did you free the toy maker by accident?
I freed the toy maker, but it was no accident. Do you want to stop the game? Then you must defeat the toy maker. It's the only way.
Crazy old man.
Do you know what you've done? Grandpa, revenge doesn't solve anything.
But you trust me. You of all people.
A message from the president.
What does he want?
I'm coming back. To settle the score. For imprisoning me. For using me.
జల్లిచ్చావు.
Devlin set us up? It's not Devlin.
All I wanted to do was right the wrongs. Start over a new world. A new chance. Where everyone would get a second chance. But no. Now.
ఇంకంతే దీన్ని చేసేది ఏం లేదు.
చాలు